Welcome to Label Resizer.
If Amazon splits your FBA shipments into multiple shipments, you may end up with box labels spread across many different PDF files. Sorting these labels by SKU can take time and slow down warehouse operations. With the Label Resizer extension, a Merge Split Shipments button appears directly on the Send to Amazon page in Amazon Seller Central. When clicked, it gathers the box label PDFs from your split shipments. Then, it merges them automatically based on your shipping label settings. You can merge everything into a single PDF sorted by SKU or create separate PDFs for each SKU. Now, let's look at a real example to see how it works. Before we start, make sure the Label Resizer Chrome extension is installed. Then, go to the Shipping Label Settings page. Choose your label size. I'll keep it as 4x6-inch thermal labels. The additional options here are also supported when merging labels with the extension. For now, we'll leave them disabled. The merge output format is set to single PDF by default. We'll keep it that way. Now, let's go to the Send to Amazon page. Here, we have an SPD shipment. Since the extension is installed, the Label Resizer buttons appear on the page. Click the Merge Split Shipments by SKU button to start the merge process. Once the process is complete, the PDF file will be downloaded and opened in a new tab. Since we selected single PDF, all labels are merged into one file and sorted alphabetically by SKU. Separator labels are added between different SKUs to make them easier to identify and help prevent mix-ups. Now, let's go back to the Label Resizer Shipping Label Settings page. This time, enable all the available options. We won't go into the details of these features here. Then, change the merge output format to separate PDFs per SKU and save the settings. Now go back and click the Merge Split Shipments by SKU button again. Now, since we enabled additional features, a pop-up appears. Here, you can enter a custom text to be added to single SKU boxes. Click the Resize button to continue. This time, a zip file will be downloaded. When you open the zip file, you will see a separate PDF file for each SKU in the shipment. Let's open one of the PDFs. Here, you can see that our custom separator label has been added at the top. The product title and the free text have been added to the box labels. And on the shipment label, you can see the box ID, merchant SKU, and the number of items in the box. Next, we'll go through an example using an LTL shipment. Here, we have a shipment containing over 1,000 boxes. Click the Merge Split Shipments button. A pop-up will appear for all single SKU products in the shipment. Fill it out just like before. Then, click the Resize Labels button. Since there are more than 1,000 boxes, the process may take a few minutes or longer. Label Resizer will run this as a background process. A new tab will open where you can monitor the process. You don't need to wait on the page while the process runs. When it's finished, you'll receive a notification, or you can come back within 48 hours to download the files. Now, let's download the file using the Download File button in the notification. Since our setting is separate PDFs per SKU, a zip file will be downloaded again. Inside the zip file, you'll find a separate PDF for each SKU. Opening these files will show the merged box labels for each SKU. The separator text we defined has been added as a label. Along with the product title and free text, the fulfillment center codes are also added to each box label to help prevent mix-ups. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Label Resizer. Simplify your FBA labeling.